it's me. Hi, it's me. I collect these plastic bags to try making shrink plastic keychains. I will try 3 different techniques and I really don't know what will happen, but let's get started. If it fails, we will call it modern art. So I'm going to use these 3 plastic box and I will cut off this flat part. And I will try 3 different techniques with hot gun, with oven, and the third one is just a plastic keychain. For painting, I will use different markers. So first we need to cut off these flat surfaces. Okay, now it's time to drawing. First I want to draw this easy and cute mushroom on this one. I think this one is ready. Let's just clean the table and continue. For the next keychain, I want to use this cute little penguin, and if you don't have drawing skills, you can just trace it like this. I don't have printer at home. If you have printer or can print, you just can print and just trace it easily, but I don't have. I will do like this. So I can draw it, but now I just want to show how you can drawing easily. Oh, this marker is not a good one. So this is removing so easily. I need another one. So this one maybe be a little bigger, but I really don't know when I use this hot gun or oven. I don't know it how smaller can be. That's why I wanna make it a little bigger. Okay, we got this. I will fix something like here and then continue. And also when I drawing penguin eyes, I forgot this mushroom eyes. Here have white dots. I don't want to paint this one yet. I will paint it after hitting. So the next one is just a plastic keychain. I need to paint something and attach to this. So here can be something cute, but this is also cute for me. Okay, now we need to cut this out. I will keep a little distance from here. So this one I think I need to make a little smaller, but we have what we have. So this one is easiest way to make plastic keychain. This one is almost ready. I will leave it here. And now is hardest part. We need to make here holes, but I don't have cutting tools. That's why I will use my working tool. I will hit this and make holes here. It's good, but maybe we need to make it a little bigger. I lose my fingers. Now for shrinking, I will use the oven for the penguin and the hot gun for the mushroom. This is the hardest part and I really hope it works. After heating, I will use something heavy on top to make it flat. This is not flat, but I don't like it. So I'm sorry, my son woke up and I had to stop talking. At first the penguin bent while it was hot. I fixed it and put something heavy on top. Then I put it back in the oven for a few seconds. And surprisingly, the color changed completely. To my happiness, I ended up with this beautiful white piece. Now I just need to add orange and gray colors. So yeah, this is the real result. It's not too bad, but honestly it doesn't feel like real shrink plastic. Next time I definitely will buy shrink plastic sheets to make a real shrinked plastic keychain. But this one, this easiest one, is really cool and the making process is so easy. And also you can glaze it to make extra strong. This was just the experiment and the mostly learning process for me. In the next week I want to try make stickers for the first time. And if you don't see my mushroom house experiment, you can watch it here. If you like this type of experiment, you can subscribe and stay with me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next week.